This trading view indicator tells precisely where to buy and where to sell. When it prints a purple candle, it means price is going to go down, and it did exactly that. When it prints a yellow candle, it means price is going to go up, and price did exactly that. And this happens over and over again. So it is a great indicator whether you do sports or futures trading, or you trade crypto, forex, commodities, or other instruments. Now, let's look at how to set it up and the rules to trade it. There are 3 indicators: ATR trend and ATR top bottom. Also support resistance level, buying, selling pressure, all by Zeiirman Trading. These indicators are not free. You would have to pay for them. I'll leave a link in the description you can use to get a discount on the indicators. I'll also show you a free alternative to the indicators at the end of this video. Now, once you have bought the indicator, you will see them as the invite-only script. Let's start with the first indicator. It is the ATR trend and ATR top and bottom. I'm going to click on it, then adjust the settings. By clicking on settings here, I'll go ahead under style. I'll go ahead and disable all these and only leave the ATR line crossover and the ATR line cross under. Disable every other thing. This is to make our charts really clean. You see this indicator, when it prints a yellow candle, price goes up. And when it prints a purple candle, price came down. But we cannot use this indicator this way because it still gives us false signals. For example, it printed a yellow candle here, price didn't go up, price came down. And it printed a purple candle here, price didn't come down, rather price went up. So how do we filter out the wrong signals? We do that by enabling the second indicator, which is the auto support and resistance. Once you click on that, go to the settings and adjust some things. So what I'm going to do is to disable the short-term level 1 and the short-term level 2 and leave the medium term and the long term because I only want the strong support and resistance. Now I want to change the colors to make it more visible on my charts. Now this is how we trade this. When it prints a purple candle below but close to a support resistance line, we take the trade to go short. You can see price came down. But if we printed the yellow candle below the support resistance line, we cannot take this trade because it is below this support resistance line. When it prints a yellow candle above but close to a support resistance line, we take the trade to go up, and you can see price went up. With this, you can achieve a win rate of over 50% with a risk reward ratio of over 1:2. But this still gives some false signals. For example, we have to take a short position in this signal but price went up. We have to take a long position here but price came down. So how do we further filter out the false signal? We enable the third indicator. And don't forget to drink water and smash the like button if you're getting value from this video. Cheers. The third indicator is the buying, selling pressure, which is this. We're going to click on it and we will adjust some settings. So I'm going to click on the settings here, under style, disable selling pressure and all these other ones. The only thing you leave on is a negative momentum and the positive momentum. So if you look here, when the horizontal line is red, it shows a negative momentum. We only take short signals. When it is green, it shows a positive momentum. We only take long signals. But when there's no line, it is neutral. We don't take any signals. So let's look at how well this does. So if you look at this signal, it printed a yellow signal and the momentum is green. So we take this signal. And what happened? Price went up. So here it prints a yellow candle. It is above this support resistance line and the momentum is bullish. So we take this signal. What happened? Price went up. This signal prints a yellow candle. It's above a support resistance line and the momentum is bullish. So we take this signal and what? Price went up. if you look at this signal, it printed a purple candle. It is below a support resistance line, and the momentum is bearish. So we take the signal, and what happened? Price came down. So this bullish candle was printed. It was above a support resistance line, but the momentum is negative. So we will not take this trade, and you see it didn't go our way. So this printed a purple candle, is below a support resistance line, but the momentum is positive. Therefore, it will not take this signal. So you can see this filters out a lot of signals, but you can still sometimes give us a wrong signal, like this one. Everything aligns, but it still gives us a wrong signal. But a lot of things is actually filtered out. Sometimes even the correct signals are even filtered out. But using this, you can actually get a win ratio of between 50 and 60, which is good because you are getting a risk to reward ratio of over 2. I'll leave the trade rule in the description box below, as well as the Forex and the crypto platform I trade with. When you sign up with that link, there are bonuses for you. And if you want a free alternative to this indicator, then watch this video and watch this one if you want to learn how to use this strategy combined with a compounding strategy to grow $100 to $400,000 in 1 year. I'll see you there.